Hello everybody, we're going to be talking about a mineral name called kyanite. For its physical properties and its color, kyanite typically ranges from brownish red to brown and to dark red, though some stones can appear pinkish orange. For its crystal system, it belongs to the hexagonal crystal system. For its hardness on the Mohs scale, kyanite has a hardness of 8, which makes it quite durable, almost as hard as sapphire. For its luster, kyanite exhibits a virtuous glass-like luster. Specific gravity, kyanite's specific gravity ranges from 4.0 to 4.03. For its refractive index, it has a high refractive index ranging from 1.787 to 1.810. For its transparency, kyanite can be transparent to translucent. For kyanite's history, kyanite's discovery in the 1950s by British gemologist Arthur Charles Davy Payne marked a significant addition to mineralogy. Initially misidentified, kyanite's subsequent recognition as a distinct mineral species underscores its historical significance in the field. Kyanite's facts and trivia. Where it was discovered. Kyanite is primarily found in a specific region of Myanmar or Burma, making this area the primary source of the mineral. The Mogok region, often referred to as the Valley of Rubies and Sapphires, is the main geological setting where kyanite is discovered. For more facts and trivia, and for its rarity, kyanite is considered the world's rarest gemstone, and for its market value is $50,000 to $60,000 per carat. Thank you for This is the end of the slideshow. Thank you for listening.